Starting to feel like a fat piece of shit? Tired of endless shitty recipes? Are you tired of eating handfuls of these damn diet pills?
What is that noise?
Yeah, dear Francisco, but it's a scarier noise than you make when we have butt sex.
SOS Coast Guard.
Start your day with Tweak, 100% bathtub roasted coffee. Made fresh in Gresham, Oregon, since 1982. Welcome to another presentation of Mutual of Omegad's Wild Nature and Shit. Starring Merlin Porkins, International Dipshit.
Crikey, there's a rabbit right there. A fucking rabbit. Just take a look.
A Mark Goodson, Bill Todman production. And now for a few scenes from next week's episode of Mutual of Omegad's Wild Nature and Shit.
Crikey, look at that, mates. It's a goddamn fish. There's two of these fucking fish. Aren't they gorgeous, mates? Holy shit, there's fucking three of them. Three beautiful goddamn fish, mates.
Weeknights on THC.